Nakaliang jong Dr. Mukul Sangma haba ai Jingkran menta kasngi ula Kynthoh Tyngeh ya ka Sorkar Jylla kabalarung Wad Bnïah sya ka Jingkut jong ka Wad Jingkynthih ka Bapura jong ka Jylla Halor ka Jingsha Penyap jong unong wan jong kai prathai ubana po indoor haketayo kabaladap. Ula ongru ba ka Sorkar Jylla kaladai ban pendan kam ya ki Jingkynthih bala penbiang da ka Sorkar Barim ha ka ba penkhlanya ka Jing pahara ha ki jong kai prathai hakaleng jong ka Jylla.
They have done this. Are you suspecting?
We cannot rule out and we do not know. I will not jump into conclusion, unlike the government. Government was very prompt in jumping to a conclusion. Didn't they do? Didn't they do? Therefore, last time I have decided not to speak on this. But I have only expressed my concern. You should know what is happening all over the world. And today it's an era where people are hyperactive in social media pages. Therefore, you never know who are following whom and who are following the these people who are looking Meghalaya as a destination for spending their time. It was good that this newly married couple looked at Meghalaya as their destination for honeymoon. So that's the brand we have been able to build. But today, if you do not understand the priority, then you cannot create that kind of conducive environment